Has ever wondered why your Power BI report looks cluttered? Those pesky subtotals might be the culprit. By canceling unnecessary subtotals, we gain a cleaner, more readable dataset. The best part, adjusting them is a breeze. Power BI gives you the power to fine-tune your visuals, ensuring they communicate the right insights without extra noise. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Matrix visuals are like spreadsheets on steroids. They help structure complex data into digestible formats. By leveraging rows and columns, reports become intuitive and easy to understand. And if you're feeling adventurous, Power BI lets you tweak and customize them extensively. Think of it as your personal data playground. The subtotals are like seasoning in a dish. Sometimes they add flavor, but too much can ruin it. When used correctly, they help categorize and summarize data. But be careful, misplaced subtotals might make your reports harder to digest. Luckily, Power BI gives us the control to tweak them to perfection. Sometimes less is more. Removing subtotals in specific columns can make reports more precise and visually appealing. No more random totals where you don't need them. By eliminating unnecessary clutter, your audience can focus on what truly matters, the insights. Ever tried to find Waldo in a sea of subtotals? Removing them makes your data clearer, helping users focus on the actual insights. Without subtotals causing distractions, trends become more obvious, reducing the risk of misinterpretation. Think of it as decluttering a messy room. Suddenly everything makes sense. Hiding subtotals is like making unwanted emails disappear. There are several ways to do it. You can toggle them off, adjust grouping settings, or use filters to keep them out of sight. With the right method, your reports look cleaner, making your audience nod in agreement instead of scratching their heads. Conditional formatting is the magician of Power BI. Wave the wand and poof. The subtotals vanish. Whether you're changing fonts or using logic-based rules, masking subtotals keeps reports tidy without changing the underlying data. It's like applying invisible ink to numbers you don't want anyone to focus on. Great data visualization is like a well-dressed outfit. It should be stylish but also make sense. The right chart type, clear formatting, and emphasis on insights keep reports effective. Follow best practices, and instead of people squinting at messy charts, they'll be nodding in admiration. Sometimes removing subtotals feels like removing training wheels. Great in theory, but it can lead to unexpected hiccups. Without them, some calculations lose their reference, and complex datasets might get confusing. Before eliminating subtotals, make sure your audience won't need a detective to figure things out. Troubleshooting subtotal removal is like debugging a stubborn software glitch. It takes patience. Double-check formulas, validate data, and test reports to ensure nothing breaks. Think of it as a test drive before launching the final product. Better safe than presenting a report with missing pieces. For the power users out there, customization options are limitless. DAX expressions help fine-tune subtotal control, and advanced filtering lets you shape reports exactly as needed. If you're feeling adventurous, tweaking themes can take visualization to the next level, because data should be both functional and fabulous. Before hitting that save button, take a final look, just like checking your reflection before heading out. Make sure the presentation flows, no crucial details are missing, and the structure is optimized. With the right finishing touches, your report will be the star of the meeting. To wrap things up, subtotals can be tricky, but managing them effectively makes your reports clearer and more engaging. From formatting hacks to troubleshooting tricks, you've got all the tools needed for a flawless data presentation. Now go forth and make Power BI proud. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.